Hello, my friends. My name is Barbara Solani, and today I would like to talk to you about Tanto Gentile e Tanto Onesta Pare. This is a sonnet by Dante Alighieri contained in the 26th chapter of La Vita Nova. It represents one of the clearest examples of the style of praise, the stilo della loda, of the dolce stil novo or sweet new style, also called in modern Italian stile nuovo or stilnovismo, an Italian literary movement in the 13th and 14th centuries. The entire poem delivers the tribute of Beatrice, who represents a creature from paradise. The woman is described as an angel or as a bridge to God through a sweet spirit that induces anyone to sigh as the very kind Beatrice passes by. There is no physicality in the sonnet, no description of Beatrice, seen and perceived by Dante under a purely angelic light. Influenced by the Sicilian school and the Tuscan poetry, the love of the dolce stil novo is a sort of divine love and includes profound introspection. The importance of Dante Alighieri creating the dolce stil novo lies in the fact that, apart from being the manifestation of the first true literary movement in Italy, Dante Alighieri ennobled the Tuscan vernacular, la lingua volgare toscana, which was destined to become the Italian national language. Thank you very much. Bye bye.